what an experience today at the restaurant. I mean, to be here in Valencia making this paella valenciana, I'll never forget it. Being with David, the chef, and learning all of the tricks. But it's more than that. Being outside, with the lake behind us, smelling the sea, magic. I mean, magic I will never forget.
Aunque hasta el minuto 5, minuto 6, el arroz no cambia. A partir del minuto 5 o 6 empieza a absorber. Está todo, mira.
It looks beautiful.
I have made what I considered paella many times at home in Canada. It has nothing to do with the paella that I've been making. Similar, but nothing to do with it. So really the experience of being here, I feel like I can be his disciple now. I will take this with me, wherever I travel in the world, and I can really tell people how to make a true Valenciana paella.
Sí, ese es el sonido de que el arroz ya está.
That's the sound.
O sea, ahí se conjunta el que ya no queda caldo y el arroz ya no quiere más tampoco.
I would absolutely agree that this is the cathedral for Valenciana paella because it can be more beautiful. You have the sea surrounding you. You have the sound of the birds, the place where the rice just grows. It feels like you can almost reach it. And then this incredible restaurant with this terrace. I would come here every Sunday if I lived here. Every Sunday would be paella Sunday for me.